Okay, we're going to go over section B. It's just a phase. Every business handles product service management a little differently, but there are three main phases of the management process you should be aware of. There are new product development, monitoring of existing products, and elimination of weak products. Developing new products. Companies spend a great deal of time and effort developing new products to offer their customers. New products may be goods or services that have been offered in the market before, have been modified in some way, will be presented or distributed in a new manner. As you can see, some products are entirely new to the market, but even an old product can be considered new again. In this process, an established soft drink may have a new and improved formula or taste. A cosmetic, such as lipstick, that has been on the market for several years may receive completely new packaging or design. Businesses have several ways to obtain new products. They may purchase them from another person or company, license them from another person or company, meaning they buy permission to sell the product but do not actually own them, acquiring them by purchasing another company, or developing them internally. Let's examine the basic steps of internal product development. Keep in mind that an idea or potential product may be discarded at any point in the process. If the company or the product service managers decide it does not make a positive contribution to the product service mix or will not make a profit. Some of you guys may remember this when we were in IBAM. So we start out with generating ideas. For new products can come from a variety of sources: employees, customers, sales reps, retailers, friends, family members, the internet, you name it. It may take hundreds of ideas to come up with a good one. For new product development, some companies have product management committees that meet regularly to brainstorm new product ideas. Each idea must go through a screening process. For a behind the scenes look at the role of customers play in one company's idea generation, check out this video from Drift. And let's just see real quick how quick this is. Otherwise, oh, it's just a minute. So we'll watch it together.
When we build marketable moments at Drift, we make sure to stay really close to the customer. And this is important because we're not just building new features, we're not just launching things for the sake of launching them, but we're building things that add real value to real people. So customers get to try this stuff before we do a full launch with it. And then all the learnings from that help us build what the next thing will be and the thing after that.
We have our product team working to build something new. We have our marketing team who's hyping it up. Everybody's getting ready. I am part of our customer team, and I sit directly across from our head of product. So when we talk about the things we're going to build in our next marketable moment, we cannot escape the desires and the needs of our customers and what they end up building, because we are directly across from one another.
One is we want to, help people out there that are not using Drift yet. And the other part of it is we have a bunch of customers already that we want to provide ROI on what they're already doing, right? So both sides of the coin there. Our customers that are our customers today, and then customers of ours tomorrow.
We're constantly having conversations about what our customers are asking for, what's driving them crazy, what they would love to see, and we try to bring those to life as much as we can.
Okay, so let's move on. Screening ideas. So we talked about generating ideas. Now we're screening ideas. The purpose of screening new product ideas is to identify any that will potentially be unworkable. For this reason, top-level managers from many different departments, finance, engineering, distribution, are often involved in this step. An idea may seem great on paper, but in reality, it may be too expensive. It may have been tried successfully in the past, and it may not fit well within the company's goals and objectives. Then we test the product concept. If an idea makes it past the screening, it's ready to be tested. This means getting feedback from potential customers about the potential product. Concept testing should answer the following questions. Is our target market interested in this product? Is it the right time to introduce this product? And what benefit does our target market expect from this product? Concept testing may involve a simple customer questionnaire, or in some cases, an actual prototype of the product. It's important to be very selective at this stage in the new product development process because to take a product any further requires a much more significant financial investment from the company. If you're interested in the possibility of electronic prototypes, check out 10 jaw-dropping prototypes we saw at CES 2019. Shoot, let's just do that now. 10 jaw-dropping prototypes. You can look at what LG did, Hyundai, Razer Tomahawk Elite, Samsung's micro LED displays, Bell Nexus Air Taxi, LG's display crystal sound for PC monitors, Digital Storm, Project Corsa, on and so forth. You guys can go back and look at that. All right, conduct a business or feasibility analysis. This is an in-depth analysis that takes many factors into account, such as demand, costs, competition, required investment, and potential profits. Again, managers from many different departments may contribute to this step in the process. Think about feasibility analysis as a much more detailed and serious screening step. It may take months to complete. If the company decides at this time the product is feasible, it will take further steps to develop it. Then develop the product. Product development is a lengthy step. It could take months to even years to finish. During this step, a working model of the product is tested, modified, and retested until the company decides it's ready to hit the market. So remember the Taco Bell thing. The cost of the product is estimated and plans for packaging, labeling, brand names, promotion, and distributions are made. Government regulations may also require safety tests to be completed during this step to prevent unsafe products from entering the market. Development may be a very expensive stage. Test the product. Test marketing involves introducing the product to a limited market to see how it will be accepted. If it serves to guide product service managers in planning actual marketing strategies. The product is tried out in specific locations to get customers and retailers' reactions before starting a wider distribution. Modifications of the product can be completed as a result of the test market, or the product may be dropped at any point if the test market results are particularly poor. In the video, Columbus, Ohio test market of the USA, take a watch from that. From CBS shows that the test marketing is like for food industry, and how does test marketing influence the menu of fast food at Wendy's? So I would love for you to watch that. Not all new products need test marketing. In some cases, it may not be used because it's costly, delays entry into the full market, and may not give an accurate picture of performance. It provides no guarantee of actual success and gives competitors an opportunity to copy the idea while it's being tested. Commercialization. If a product has made it through every stage, the new product development, it's ready for commercialization. This is at the point which the product goes into full-scale production, a marketing plan is put into place, service and sales training is conducted, and the product's life cycle begins. Monitoring existing products. Existing products are those that are already on the market. It's important for product service managers to keep a close eye on existing products and monitor them in terms of sales, profit, market share, and how well they're meeting the company's goals and expectations. Product service managers may decide an existing product is performing well and needs no modifications, or they may choose to add new features or change the design or packaging in some way. Making changes in an existing product often follows steps similar to those in new product development. Managers may reposition the product by changing the marketing strategy, or they may decide to eliminate the product altogether. Eliminating weak products. This is also known as product discontinuation. Weak products are those with declining sales and profitability. Product discontinuation must be planned carefully to prevent damaging the company's image. New products can be dropped immediately, but some are withdrawn from the market over a period of time. Some companies eliminate a weak product slowly so that the customers have time to find replacements, or they may continue to provide a service for a discontinued product for a certain period of time to retain customers' goodwill. Product service managers must weed out weak products. However, because of their cost to the company, remember, product service management is all about making the most profitable product mix decisions possible. The article 18 fast food menu items that were sensational failures. Make sure you take a look at that by Ashley Lutz. Explains why some fast food products were discontinued, and have some of your favorite products been discontinued? And how do you think the company's product service manager decided to discontinue that product? Summary. The three main phases of product service management are new product development, monitoring of existing products, and elimination of weak products. New product development involves ideas generations, screening, concept testing, feasibility analysis, product development, test marketing, and commercialization. Okay, you guys are now ready for the quiz. Make sure that you go through and watch the videos and the articles in this section when you get a chance.